Hello student. Hello student. Now today I am going to explain you the 20th chapter Future Perfect Tense from your Grammar Cloud textbook grade 7th standard. Now this is Future Perfect Tense. Previously I have explained you what is the means of the perfect. Perfect means that is a completed. When our work in a future completed, that is future perfect tense. And future perfect tense expresses an action which will be completed or finished at the certain time in the future. जब फ्यूचर के समय में टाइम में हमारा कोई एक्शन जो हो वो कंप्लीट दिखाए या पूरा दिखाए, उसको हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग कन्वर्ट करते हैं या टेंस बनाते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल देखिए, आई शैल हैव डिपॉजिटेड अ ह्यूज अमाउंट इन माई अकाउंट इन 10 years. द इंडियन टीम विल हैव स्कोर्ड 300 रन्स इन 49 ओवर्स. तो यहाँ पर आप ध्यान रखिएगा, फ्यूचर दैट इज़ अ प्लान. ठीक है, फ्यूचर में जो होने वाला है उसको लेके हम ऐसा जब उम्मीद करें कि हम वो कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, तब हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग बनाते हैं. नाउ हाउ टू यूज़ द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. It is used to indicate the completion of an action before a specific time in the future. It means कि हम अपने एक्शन को कंप्लीट करते हैं, वो भी कब, फ्यूचर के टाइम में. ठीक है, जैसे देखिए फॉर एग्जांपल, यू विल हैव कंप्लीटेड योर प्रोजेक्ट्स बाय नेक्स्ट वीक. तो यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं वो पता चल रहा है. नेक्स्ट है, द ट्रेन टिकट्स एग्जामिनर विल हैव चेक्ड एवरी पैसेंजर्स टिकट बिफोर द अराइवल ऑफ नेक्स्ट स्टॉप. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि विल हैव चेक्ड, दैट इज़ द रिलेटेड टू द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ next is how to make the sentences. So first I told you that is the affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. 4 types sentences we will see here. So first it is a subject. फर्स्ट मैं आपको अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में बता रहा हूँ कैसे बनेगा. फर्स्ट इज अ सब्जेक्ट, देन विल या शैल, हैव, वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म एंड अदर वर्ड्स. तो यहाँ देखिए आपको एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है. आई शैल हैव लैंडेड इन अमेरिका बाय टुमारो मॉर्निंग. We shall have landed in America by tomorrow morning. You will have landed in America by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning means कल सुबह. तो कल सुबह it is, so that is a future. He will have landed in America by tomorrow morning. She will have landed in America by tomorrow morning. They will have landed in America by tomorrow morning. And you can understand the sentences here now. How to frame the affirmative sentence. Now here that is the solution I have given you, but first you do by yourself. How to frame the negative sentence. Now negative sentence we can frame subject, will, shall plus not, then have, then verb in a third form and other words. Let's see the some examples here. I shall not have read this book by the 16th of this month. We shall not have read this book by the 16th of this month. You will not have read this book by the 16th of this month. He will not have read this book by the 16th of this month. She will not have read this book by 16th of this month. They will not have read this book by the 16th of this month. And in this way you can frame the negative sentence. Now let's see the next is a interrogative. How to frame the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a 2 types. First is a yes no type. It means we frame the sentence with the helping verb. Second, we can frame the sentence with the WH word. First is a will ya shall, then subject plus have plus verb third form and other words. Shall I have eaten food by 8 p.m? Shall we have eaten food by 8 p.m? Will you have eaten food by 8 p.m? Will he have eaten food by 8 p.m? Will she have eaten food by 8 p.m? Will they have eaten food by 8 p.m? And you can see here the how to frame the first type of the interrogative sentence. And now the second type, how to frame the interrogative sentence, WH type questions. The first is a WH word we can use here, then will ya shall, then subject, then have, then verb third form and other words. जैसे what shall I have done before the next bus arrives? When shall we have done our work? Where will he have gone before you reach here? why will they have gone to the tuition class? So here you can understand how to frame the interrogative sentence with the WH type. Next, it is a given that a interrogative negative sentence. How to frame the interrogative negative sentence? You can see here: will or shall plus subject plus not plus have plus verb third form and other words. Now, shall I not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? Shall we not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? Will you not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? Will he not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? Will she not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? Will they not have reached at the platform before the train leaves? And you can frame the sentence with the help of these sentences. Now here the solutions I have given you, but first you have to solve by yourself. Okay, then you check your answer, it is a right or not, then you correct your answer. Okay, student, I hope you understand. Thank you.